Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at the Taylor job. Lovely, beautiful red cypress pergola, stained classic gray with oil-based stain. Got a beautiful seating bench, plant wall combo going around the complete pergola. As you can see, just notice the caps. Perfectly cut in. If you can see the miter on them, takes a little bit of math skill to get it right. Very blessed to have very good workers. So this is just a finish up video of what could be a thought for your project. It's good to see videos, cultivate some ideas so you can see the way that things get built. All the cuts nice and tight. Everything's stained up, nice and pretty. Love this furniture. It actually came from Italy. Believe it or not, very expensive. I like it though. A couple of pillows on it really make it look nice. But this is the finish up video from the Taylor job. And we look forward to doing business with you. Talk to you soon. Y'all have a blessed day.